most prominent advances in dance during the Renaissance occurred in the city-states in present-day Italy. In the 1500s, they were huge shows called a spettacoli. It was put on in northern Italy. French and Italian court dancing began to run together and put on huge spectaculars. The court spectaculars of the day were amazing. In spectaculars, all of the scenes and stage and machinery were made and painted by Leonardo da Vinci. As ballet advanced and became more dance and less speaking, over the next 50 years stopped being something that was offered in the court and was offered to paying audiences. I have made a dance for a Shakespeare play I am in. The play I have choreographed a dance to is Midsummer Night's Dream. The scene is when Titania is about to go to sleep and she wants a lullaby. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.
You spotted snakes with double tongues, thorny hedgehogs be not seen. Newts and blindworms do no wrong, come not near our fairy queen. Philomel with melody, singing our sweet lullaby. La 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 lullaby, la 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 lullaby. Never harm, nor spell, nor charm, come my lovely lady nigh, so good night with lullaby. You weaving spiders, come not here, hence you long-legged spinners hence. Beetles black, approach not near, worm nor snail do no offence. Philomel with melody, singing our sweet lullaby. La 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 lullaby, la 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 lullaby.